Hey guys, I just want to come on here and give you one more example of surface area and volume each of rectangular prisms to help you all in your graded assignment. I did have a couple of questions. So if you already turned it in, I will highlight the ones that you got wrong, if you got any wrong, in red and send it back to you. And you're more than welcome to redo it once and send it back in just to help your grade out a little bit. I did this before, an assignment before. So when it comes to finding surface area and volume of rectangular prism, it's easy if you can follow the formula. The formula is literally telling you what to do. So it's telling you what to multiply or what to add, whatever you need to do. So there's an L, a W, and an H in every single surface area and volume formula. So those are actually length, width, and height. So you want to go and identify those three things first and write them down to help you plug stuff in. So the length of the rectangular prism is 15 feet. The width is 8 feet. And how high or the height is 10 feet. Okay, so from there, you're literally just going to replace every single variable or letter in a formula with that value that we assigned to it. So we'll start with surface area. So surface area equals, there's three sets of numbers we have to multiply together. So the first one is 2 times the length times the width. So we are going to do 2 times the length of 15 times the width of 8. Then we're going to add that to 2 times the length times the height. So it's 2 times the length of 15, the height of 10. And then we'll add that to 2 times the width times the height. So 2 times the width of 8 times the height of 10. So here I'm just going to go and multiply. So surface area equals 2 times 15 times 8 should get you 240. We're going to add that to 2 times 15 times 10. So that is 300. And we'll add that to 2 times 8 times 10, which is 160. So then after you do all your multiplication, your next step is to add everything together. And 240 plus 300 plus 160 is 700 square feet. We're still talking about area, so you're still talking about how many squares it takes to figure or cover the figure. Okay, so there's surface area. That is definitely the harder one because there's a lot going on. But if you write out what every value is for the letter and pay attention to where you're plugging it in and write it down slowly, you'll be okay. So volume is a lot easier because it's literally just multiplying the length and the width and the height. That's it. So volume equals the length of 15 times the width of 8 times the height of 10. So I'll do it step by step and do 15 times 8 is 120. 120 times 10 is 1,200. And keep in mind, when we're talking about volume, we're trying to figure out how many cubes or cubic feet it takes to fill the figure inside. Okay, so that's it, surface area and volume. Please let me know if you have any questions on your graded assignment if you're looking at it and you just aren't sure. I'm only an email away. Takes 5 seconds to send me an email. Hey, I don't understand this. Could you give me an example? So please, I like to help. Other than that, I'll talk to you later.